Hello friends, welcome to the Attendees channel. So friends, today I will talk about Orange Pi new gaming handheld. So friend, Orange Pi has selected AMD Ryzen 7 7840U Phonics APU, a laptop or notebook processor that is emerging as the de facto choice for many handheld gaming systems and the most globally available mainstream Windows 11 options. ASUS ROG Ally and Lenovo Legion both support Ryzen Z1 and Ryzen Z1 Extreme SoCs that are really similar in design to the popular Ryzen 7 7840U chip. And friend, Orange Pi and Manjaro are targeting a late 2024 launch. This could place new alongside potential next generation device with upgraded internals. And Neo's unique selling point seems to be a slimmer, ultra slim and small handheld dimensions coupled with 7-inch Full HD plus LCD screen. And friend, the LCD screen's resolution is 9020 by 1200 WUXGA 16:10 contrast ratio, 500 nits peak brightness, 120Hz refresh rate. And friend, a proper D-pad design and YXBA button layout indicate a retro gaming oriented player base is being targeted. Although twin hall effect sticks and liner triggers bring things firmly into the 2020s tech-wise. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.